What's good, y'all? This your girl Kayla. Welcome back to my channel, Diva in the Apron. So today, I'm gonna hook y'all up with the strawberry lemonade recipe from scratch. Yes, your girl throw down on the beverages too, okay? It's summertime, it's hot as heck outside, so what's better than a cold glass of strawberry lemonade? Let's get into these ingredients. You will need lemons, strawberries, and I purchased 2 crates of strawberries, but I will only be using 1.5 crates. You will need water. We will be using way more than that though, and some sugar. I'm using cane sugar, but white sugar is okay. Okay, y'all, so get your ingredients together because we about to make some lemonade. Okay, so the first step is to juice your lemons. Now you might want to roll them first just to soften them up a little bit and start juicing. This is actually one of my favorite parts when I'm making my lemonade because I love the way lemon juice smells. It smells so fresh and so clean. And don't be being lazy, y'all. Don't try to take the easy way out and buy that bottled lemon juice. Trust me, it makes a big difference. So go ahead and juice those lemons. Don't be lazy. All right, y'all, so we are almost done. Just when you start to get tired, the finish line is right ahead. Okay, so we're done with the lemons, enough of that. Now you want to go ahead and start cutting up your strawberries and make sure you rinse them off very well. I cut my strawberries in half once, that way when I blend it, the strawberries aren't too small. Every time I make strawberry lemonade, I just have to taste a strawberry. It's so tempting, but you know what? This time, I'm gonna challenge myself, y'all. I'm gonna fight my temptations. Okay, all done. So now it's time to blend these babies on up, and you want to use the puree setting if you have it on your mixer. If not, you can use like the regular smoothie setting. That should be fine. Next, you want to add in a half a cup of water. Now it's time to blend. You want to blend it for about 5 through 6 seconds and then stop and check on it to see if it's the consistency that you like. I know I prefer mine with a little pieces of strawberries left. I don't like mine all the way pureed. Okay, so the consistency is perfect for me. So now we're going to go ahead and start adding in the water. Okay, so the water is in. Now let's add the sugar. For those of you who like your strawberry lemonade very, very sweet, then you might want to add in 2.5 cups, but add the 2 cups first, taste it, then add in the half of cup if needed. I'm just trying to get it as close to 2 cups as possible. Okay, perfect. So now you want to pour your sugar in. Next is the lemon juice, and you guys want to take a strainer and pour your lemon juice in your strainer when you're pouring it in. That way it can catch the small leftover seeds and some of the pulp. All right, here goes the yummy part. Now it's time to pour in your pureed strawberries. Oh my gosh, y'all, this looks so good. So now you want to mix this in very, very, very good because you want the sugar to dissolve and you want everything to mix in together. Mix it in very well. You want everything to be one. All right, taste test. Good to me. So I went ahead and added a few ice cubes and look how refreshing this strawberry lemonade looks. OMG. Now you just want to garnish your glass with the strawberry. Cut it down the middle just a little bit, enough to make a little slit, and stick it right on the rim of your glass. I just love drinking lemonade out of mason glasses. They're so cute. Okay guys, so this strawberry lemonade is calling my name. I cannot wait to taste it. Let's see. Look at that. Don't that look so refreshing, guys? And it looks so pretty. The color looks so pretty. Let's see what it tastes like. This is bomb. This lemonade is so good, guys. Like, you can taste the tanginess, yet it's sweet. You can taste the strawberries, the lemon, and the sugar. It's perfect. Once you try my strawberry lemonade recipe, you will never ever buy another store-bought lemonade again. You hear me? Okay, so y'all already know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I don't bite, and it's nothing but good vibes over here, I promise you. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think about it, or give me a thumbs up if you tried my recipe and you rocking with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair my strawberry lemonade with the sub and enjoy my lunch. So I'll see y'all back next time. Later.